Hey everyone, Professor Baldwin here, and today we have a word problem involving slope. We're told an individual is driving a car at a constant speed along a straight road. The graph shows the distance that the driver is from home after X hours. First, let's make sure we understand the graph. If our Y value is the distance from home, then the origin here, or when Y is 0, means we're at home. And a value of 150 miles means we're 150 miles from home. So it looks like we're driving away from home. Maybe we're stopped for a little while because our distance doesn't change. And then we're driving back home because our distance is decreasing. Well, let's look at how to calculate slope. Remember, slope is m. And it's equal to a change in y divided by a change in x. So it's how much your y value changes divided by how much your x value is changing between 2 points. Let's look at the slope for section 1. Well, how much does y change? Y goes from 0 to 100, so it changes by 100. And at the same time, x is going from 0 to 2, so it changes by 2. So slope 1 is equal to 100 over 2, or positive 50. Let's look at the next section, this horizontal line. Well, how much does y change? Y doesn't change. The distance is constant. So it's 0. But time, our x value, is changing by 1. And 0 divided by 1 is 0. And let's look at the third section. Here, our y value is going from 100 miles to 50 miles. So it changes by negative 50. It decreases 50. And our time goes from 3 to 4, which is an increase of 1 hour. So our slope here is negative 50. Now part B wants us to interpret each slope as a rate of change. Well, what's happening in this first segment? This first segment, the car is moving away from home. And how fast is that car moving away from home? 50 miles per hour. This is our rate of change, 50 miles per hour. Now, what about slope 2, this middle section? This middle section, the car's not moving at all, right? Its speed is 0 miles per hour. So the car is stopped. And then our very last section, it's negative, but we can't say that the car is going negative 50 miles per hour. So what is that negative telling us? It's telling us that our car is going 50 miles per hour toward home. The negative is the distance decreasing, not the speed. So we're traveling 50 miles per hour. So car is moving toward home at 50 miles per hour. Remember to pay attention to the context. Speed can't be negative, so that negative needs to be telling us something else about the situation. And here it's telling us that our distance is decreasing.